What are we gonna do?
Well, I want it to look a little bit more full, just for occasional things, because I don't live here.
Okay.
So that, and then I just want to tone it down, kind of like a mushroomy brown.
Cute.
I've seen that you can do.
I love
so
that.
I'm kind of thinking that, but I just want it to be something that I can, low maintenance. I don't want something permanent, because I just don't live close. Yeah.
Something maybe like clip-in extensions that are easy. You can take in and out.
Yeah.
Like, and it's not anything that you have to come get moved up or whatever. I feel like it'll be, clip-ins are great. They're so easy, low maintenance. They're so fun. They can add so much to your hair so fast.
Yeah.
Are you thinking you kind of want to add a little bit of length since we're doing it anyway? Like maybe a little bit, or do you
maybe just a tad, because I do want to get layers like when I cut it, because I usually do, just because that's like my thing. People love my hairs, so I'm like maybe a little bit so that there is like a significant difference, but nothing too crazy.
Okay.
Nothing
Now,
crazy.
tell me this: do you like right now? When did you color last? About?
Probably like a month and a half ago.
Okay, and it's kind of golden.
Yes, I don't want that.
Okay.
I don't want that. I want cool.
Do you have any photos of what you like?
Yes, I do. I have a whole Pinterest board.
Oh, good. I love that. She comes prepared.
Well, because this is what I do every time.
Yes.
So like.
Okay, show the camera that. I love that. Okay, so it's kind of like a light brown.
Yes.
Nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
Cute. That is so cute, and it will fade so good.
Yeah, it is really pretty. But I'm like, do I have to look good when I'm tan that way? I don't know. I don't know. I trust you. Whatever you think. But this is cute.
You're more like the lighter, softer.
Yeah, because we're going into summer.
Okay.
After this.
Love that.
But I trust you, so whatever you think is best.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's do it. Here is Courtney's before, and what she wanted was a really soft looking brunette, really natural looking, and get rid of her red tones. As you can see, it looks like someone bumped her base because her root color is such a pretty soft light brown, but then it looked like someone put permanent on it because then it lifted all of the red tones out of her hair. Once you do that, the second you start using permanent color on your base when you don't need to, the only time it's very necessary is if you have a lot of gray hair. Even then, I try to gray blend more instead of using too much permanent colors, because the second you use permanent colors, it just oxidizes your natural color. You might leave and it's fine, but the second you do that, then you get in the sun, you start washing it, so now that permanent color is going to start fading and give you all these brassy tones. So what we wanted to do to create more of a natural tone of Courtney's hair without looking so brassy is we're going to highlight and low light. And we're going to use Redken Shades, which is a demi-permanent color, so it only deposits. So it's not going to lift your natural base. So once we do that, then we got to go back in between the foils because we have to tone down that brassy root that she got from using permanent dye. A lot of times people use permanent dye to lift your natural a little bit. Instead of doing this, we like to baby light with foils. This creates a softer, lighter, natural base without the red tones. So once we do that, cover all that brassy color, then we're going to go ahead and wash everything when it's done formulating and done processing, and we're going to go ahead and tone her at the bowl. The reason why we baby light and low light is we want to create dimension and depth, and the reason why we tone is because we want everything to be seamless. We want it to grow out super natural. I don't want her to have high maintenance hair. I want everything to be really natural and grow out super blended and soft. When it starts fading, I want everything to look like almost like she was at the beach and it faded naturally and sun-kissed. So that is why we do all these steps. So once we do that, she wanted to add a little bit of length and a little bit of thickness. So we're gonna give her some clip-in extensions. Clip-in extensions are so great for people that don't want high maintenance hair and want to be able to clip in the hair whenever they need. So I hope you guys love this transformation. You can get our clip-ins at habithairx.com. You can get our formulas at habiteducation.com. Thanks so much.